A cordial greeting, tutor and roommates. My name is James Zuluaga Bustamante. I am 27 years old. I live in the municipality of Líbano, Tolima, and study degree in mathematics. This is a theory on the English course force of the National Open University and distance. I am going to talk about activities I used to do when I was a child. The main activities I did with while a child are: I student in the Foreign Harmony School of Lebanon, Tolima until noon. The weekends I like watching TV and playing football with my friends. I rode bicycle by the street on the neighborhood where I live, and I like very much the video games, which I play almost every day. Thank you very much.